Look at these elevators. Kone. These are Kone elevators here. The Epicenter. This is in Charlotte, North Carolina. Beautiful night. Elevators going up. Here it comes. These are EcoDisc, MRL. And nobody's in there. Wait, what? Where we at here? P2. They're not glass in here though.
Lower ground floor.
Why is it going up? What the hell is it?
Going up.
Going up.
Ground floor.
What?
Going up.
Okay, fourth
Fourth
floor.
floor.
What side is it open on? This is a weird configuration. Take a look at a view here. There it goes. There's the EcoDisc. Whoa. Yeah, let's not hang the phone over the edge. Yeah, it won't be very good. You can see the, oh, it's over to here.
Going down.
Well, I don't want to press P2, okay. It's a directory. Some key switches.
Second floor.
No, I don't want to go to the second floor. Pressed 1, not 2.
What's that, B1 or B2?
Where are we at here? This is not the right floor.